Smart ways to handle an IRS auditor. Hi, I'm Stephen D. Cooper, your tax strategist with Cooper's Accounting Service. Because your financial freedom matters. If you'd like to learn more great tax tips, download a popular financial guide as well by going to our website, yourfinancialfreedommatters.com, or click on the link below this video. For some of you that had a chance to watch a prior video, I was talking about a client who was going through a special audit. The auditor's title is Revenue Officer. He is an officer for the IRS, and this is typically what clients owes over $100,000. In this example, my client owes $1.8 million due to back taxes, emphasis payroll taxes. These are the two things I want you to get out of this video. One is we establish credibility, meaning CAS, Cooper's Accounting Service, establish credibility with the revenue officers first. He now trusts us. So when he asks for something, he knows he's going to get it in the timely fashion that he asked for it. Now, as we're bringing in our clients, because there was a couple of interviews with both of the owners, they now got a feel for the auditor. They don't see him as the big bad guy. He is working with us because the ultimate accomplishment is the client does want to pay the money back. Sadly, the client was a victim of Hurricane Matthew as well as COVID. So we're going to do what's called an offer of compromise. That's where he's going to pay a portion of the debt. So he's not going to pay all the 1.8 with the penalties and interest. So he's going to pay roughly about $1 million. So by using Cooper's Accounting Service, we have reduced the client's debt from $2 million to $1 million. Sounds good to me. For more easy financial tips, sign up for our financial tip newsletter by going to yourfinancialfreedommatters.com or click on the link below this video. You can also download our financial guide as well. If you'd like a free 20-minute smart money consultation, give us a phone call, 562-436-2600. Well, again, I'm Stephen D. Cooper, your tax strategist with Cooper's Accounting Service. Please don't miss our next video where we're going to give you another great financial tip.